The phrase "in the past" refers to actions that already occurred. It's consistent with the present perfect tense, has damaged, that refers to past actions with present relevance. While is used to show two actions happening simultaneously. Governments are developing and at the same time trying to protect the environment. Because introduces a reason or cause. The Antarctic's inaccessibility is the reason why it remains largely undamaged. Grammatically, this fits as a causal clause. This is the present perfect passive voice. Have been discovered is correct for passive past discoveries with current relevance. Already emphasizes that the action happened before now, fitting the timeline and tone of the sentence. Banned is a past participle used as part of a passive construction. Form of exploitation. Banned. It expresses the desired action of prohibiting exploitation. Grammatically and logically, it works to describe a prohibition being applied internationally. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If not, feel free to share your suggestions in the comments.